Here is our sixth story, The Squirrel's Lesson. Once, Sally, the cow, watched a little squirrel take a bite of a gooseberry and toss it away. The squirrel kept picking up gooseberries, taking a bite, and then leave them half eaten. Finally, Sally said, Little squirrel, why don't you eat a full gooseberry? The little squirrel sat up and said, I want to taste all berries. There are so many that I can't possibly eat them all. Sally said wisely, Squirrel, the berries you leave half eaten, no one else can eat. Don't waste food in this manner. The squirrel realized her mistake and never wasted food again. This is the Sally, the cow, and this is the squirrel. Okay, bye bye.